Welcome to my channel.
What will I learn from the English lesson reading and writing practice? This conversation talk about Mr. Jones is talking to Mr. Rooney, who he has just met in a cafe. They are having a conversation when Mr. Jones asks Mr. Rooney what he does for a living.
What is the conversation about occupation about? During this English lesson you will read a short story then answering some questions that are relating to the story. By the end of the lesson you will have practiced reading and writing skills.
English conversation and occupation conversation, reading and writing English lesson.
What do you do for a living?
I'm sorry, I don't understand the question.
What is your occupation?
I'm a mechanic. I work in a garage on Oxford Street.
A mechanic? You must do a lot of work and get very dirty.
Yes, I do lots of work. Every day I fix cars, and it takes a long time to get clean after work.
That is really interesting. How many cars do you think you fix in a day?
On average I probably fix about 7 cars every day. I do get tired. What sort of job do you have, Nissa?
I don't have a job at the moment.
Why?
I'm at college learning English.
Thanks for the chat, I have to get back to work now.
Yes, thanks also.
Okay, now we match the occupation with the daily activity.
Occupation: mechanic, teacher, dentist, doctor/nurse, journalist, fisherman, gardener, chef/cook, firefighter, photographer.
Activity: catch fish, take pictures, fix cars, cook meals, pull teeth, plant flowers, put out fires, take care of patients, teach classes, write news stories.